Okay, I'm a bit reluctant to show this because it's such a mess. Anyway, look, the side of the shed's gone. So I've taken down some shelves. I'm hoping that that shelf there with the vice on it will just stay there, and I'm going to try and take the frame out up to a certain point. Let's see how that goes. Hello. Right, I've took all the wood off the second part of the side shed, and I'm a little bit worried because those shelves appear to be sort of, well, they were attached to the wall. I don't know if the floor might be a bit weak under there, because what I've remembered is that up to that point there, I don't know if you can see through the gap, the ones to the left are scaffolding boards, and the ones to the right are the original shed floor. So the original shed floor probably isn't as good condition as that part there. But anyway, nonetheless, I need to get this side piece out so I can get a fence panel in its place. I'm thinking I might have to move a lot of this stuff here, but I'll try not to do that because there is a lot of stuff there and I don't really want to move it unless I have to. I've put a jack there and have supported the roof. To be honest though, I think I might do better to support the roof with a longer piece of wood off the floor so that it's not resting on the shelf, because this shelf looks a bit kind of dodgy. Okay, righto, I'll regroup and bring you back when there's more to show. It occurs to me that I'm long overdue a good tidy out here. The floor's a bit soft just there, but I'm not going to. Basically, I just want to get the side covered in. If I end up doing some remedial work, I'll do it at a later date. But there's quite a lot of weight concentration on that corner there, so what I'll probably do is put a piece of angle iron underneath the shelves to spread the weight along. That piece of the floor there isn't very good at all really, but let's see if I can get this, see what I need to do to get this second panel in. I became concerned that the whole shelf unit was going to fall out the side of the building. So I just put that ratchet strap on there. It suddenly moved quite a lot. The floor's giving way there basically. What I'll do though is I need to make it weatherproof. I'm not in the mood for completely redoing it all at the moment. I'll just make it weatherproof and you know, schedule in a more of a rework on the right hand side. Right, I've got to do some sawing, it's all going to go in my face. Okay, rain stopped play. I think the roof nearly fell down then. I knocked my prop out of the way. I'm trying to put a piece of bed frame angle under there. Back in a bit. Okay, the rain's held off a little bit. It's still raining a little bit. I need to jack the roof back up because it's fell down. I've got that piece of angle iron in place just to support the shelves. It's a right sorry looking thing, isn't it? I think I need to rearrange my layout here. All this stuff here, which is all very heavy, needs to be on that end where the floor is better. So I need to dismantle those shelves and move them down there. But for now I need to get this fence panel in place. Okay, it's raining again now, so let's just take the camera off. So there's the second panel in place. First and second panels in place. Only just roughly in place. I need to, but what I can do, I can go inside now and kind of, you know, get that a little bit more into position. And I need to shorten the next panel to fill in the gap there. Okay, righto, I'm going to leave it at that now because it has started raining, and I've also closed off my easy access path, so I need to get myself back around the other side and start just working from the inside. But what I think I'll do before I do that, I'll move this stuff and put this other panel kind of roughly in place, so that can stay there overnight then, and I'll you know, just see what I can do to get things looking a bit more ship shape. Okay, let's leave it at that for now then, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Okay, I've just come inside and it's not looking too bad. I need to relax this a bit to bring that down onto there. This needs to come in a little bit, just to there, like that. That needs to come in a little bit like that. Yeah, it's looking okay. Got a little gap there, but what I'll do, I'll put a clamp on here and bring these together. Better than having a daylight sticking through. That's just about in the right position there. I can get at that one and put a clamp on that, put a you know, little angle bracket on there, so that's looking all right. Yeah, okay. Yeah, not looking too bad. Just about missed that there, look. This will be better than it was because it'll be a little bit more, bit less of a gap at the top, which was, you know, good from the point of view of plenty of fresh air getting around, but well, it's just going to be different. I need to let this down because I've put quite a kink in the roof there, look. Okay, righto. Not looking too bad. I'm a bit bothered about my floor being a bit soft, but you know, hey, what can you do? I really need to have a good sort out here, get rid of some stuff. But this area is useful for grinding and that. Still, you know, it's only a shed storage stroke grinding dirty area. Okay, righto. That's took me virtually all day, that has, getting that panel in there. Anyway, but the good thing is I can work inside now, you know, even when it's dark. So, okay, righto, I'll bring it back when there's more to show.